Welcome back to the channel, everybody, where today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoked snack, and we're talking about pig ears. Yes, I went to the local butcher shop in town and I picked me up a couple of pig ears, and we're going to get them smoked on the Z-Grills, and I'm going to show you how to make this delicious snack. All right, I'm going to get these pig ears inside, I'm going to get them rinsed off, and I'll bring them back out to the Z-Grills, which is heating up right now, and I'll bring it back when it's time to put them on. Alright everybody, I got the pig ears all washed off. I've got these Z-Grills heated up to 275 degrees, and we're going to put these on right now. I don't know how long they're going to take to cook. This is the first time I've ever cooked these things, but I know it's going to be super delicious. Alright, let's get these on the grill. Alright, we'll get it closed up and I'll come back and check on it in an hour. I'll see you then. Alright, we're 1 hour in. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, they're coming along good. Got a little bit longer to go. These are going to be so freaking delicious. Alright, let's keep them on there. I'll come back in about another 30 minutes or so. Okay, these pig ears are done. We had them at 275 for an hour and a half, and then I cranked it up to high for 30 minutes. And these pig ears are done. Let's get them off and let's get them cooled before we do the taste test. Oh yeah, crispy and good, just the way we like it. And there's pig ear number 2. All right, let's let these cool, and we'll come back for the taste test. Okay, everybody, the pig ears have cooled, and they're looking fantastic. Nice and hard, nice and crispy. Now it's time to give this pig ear a taste test. All right, let's go in for the taste test. And you all thought that pig ear was for me. Not a chance. This is for the dog. Come here. And you thought this was for me. This pig ear is for the dog. Whoa, what is that? Come here. Where are you going with that? Where are you going? Come on. Okay. All right, I would say it's doggy approved. I think we got a win-win here for a snack for the dog. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And I thank all my regular subscribers for watching my videos. And remember, if I can cook it for the dog, you can cook it for the dog. Take care, everybody, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.